Well, guys, here's the mystery saw that was in the bag I'd shown a week or so ago. Had it here close to a month and hadn't even had a look at it yet, but I didn't really need to. I knew what it was, but by far probably the nicest Husky professional grade saw that I own. This thing's barely used. Had, I don't know, a few tanks of fuel run through it to my understanding, but probably will do some modifications to this. We'll just have to see, but pretty nice dang saw. Anyway, guys, y'all enjoy this warm weather and have a good one.